Are you on the hunt for a strategy that's not only profitable but also free? Do you want a strategy that's so simple it only uses 2 indicators, allowing you to use TradingView for free? If you're nodding your head in agreement, then you won't want to miss a second of this video. Hey there, traders! Let's dive right in. First, make your way to the TradingView website and pick a chart. Next, navigate to the indicator section and add the super smoother velocity indicator to your chart. We'll need to tweak some settings, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Here's the fun part. Whenever a green triangle pointing upwards pops up in this oscillator, it's giving you a go long signal. When this happens, the candle colors will automatically switch to green. So when you see the candles turn green, you'll know it's time to buy. On the flip side, if a triangle pointing downwards appears in the oscillator, it's signaling you to go short. Simultaneously, the candles will change color to red. And what if the candles turn blue? Well, that's the market telling you it's in consolidation mode, which translates to a no trade zone. Here's the thing about this indicator. It's great, but it can't identify the trend all by itself. That's why we're going to tag team it with another indicator to help us ride the wave of the trend. The perfect partner for this job is the video by Mehmet Yıldızlı. After you have added it to your chart, you'll want to tweak its settings just like I did to accurately spot the trend. This dynamic indicator will draw 2 lines on your chart, one green and one blue. If the price is strutting its stuff above both these lines, then you're looking at a bullish market trend. But if the price is lurking below both these lines, then the market is bearish. Now, if these lines are lying flat and tangled up and the price is bouncing up and down like a yo-yo, that's the market's way of saying it's in a mood swing and doesn't have a clear trend. In that case, it's the best to sit back, relax, and avoid trading until the market figures out what it wants to do. So, you're ready to dive into this trading strategy? Great! Let's break it down into simple steps. For a buy trade, we first need to see an upward trend. This means the blue line should be sitting pretty above the green line, and the price should be strutting its stop above both these lines. Then we played a waiting game for a long signal, which is when the candle colors switch to green. Once all these stars align, you're all set for a long trade entry. Now, when it comes to setting a stop loss with this strategy, you've got options. You can use either the green or blue line. Next up, set your trade target to be 1.5 times the risk amount. And for a sell trade, we're looking for a downward trend. This is when the blue line takes a dip below the green line and the price follows suit, falling below both lines. Now it's time to sit tight and wait for a short signal, which is when the candle colors change to red. When you see this color change, it's your cue to make a short trade entry. Setting a stop loss is just as easy. You can hitch your wagon to either the green or blue line. Then, aim to set your trade target at 1.5 times the risk amount. But if you are looking to consistently hit the bullseye in trading, I've crafted a unique strategy just for you. You won't want to miss this video I'm recommending, believe me, it's going to revolutionize your trading game.